10 Best Drinks for Weight Loss. The best drink for weight loss is water since it has 0 calories and can keep you hydrated. Other weight loss drinks include coffee, green tea, vegetable juice, and smoothies. If you're trying to lose weight, avoid high-calorie, sugary drinks like soda and fruit juice. Here are some of the best drinks if you're trying to lose weight. 1. Water. Aim to drink at least half your body weight in ounces of water daily. If you weigh 150 pounds, you should drink at least 75 ounces of water each day, or about 2.2 liters. Water is one of your best options for weight loss. Not only is it calorie-free, but it also fills you up so you don't overeat. 2. Green tea. Consuming a green tea mixture with 150 milligrams of caffeine for 3 months was linked to more weight loss and fat loss. Green tea contains catechins and caffeine, 2 compounds that may boost metabolism, as well as a more significant reduction in waist circumference, in comparison to those who drank a placebo. 3. Black tea. Drinking 3 cups of black tea a day for 3 months reduced a participant's risk of weight gain, and reduced their waist circumference by about 2 centimeters. Like green tea, black tea is chock full of antioxidants, specifically polyphenols, which reduce your risk of obesity. 4. Kefir. Kefir is a fermented dairy drink that contains up to 61 strains of gut-healthy probiotics. Overweight and obese women on a dairy-rich, non-calorie restricted diet who drank 2 servings of kefir drinks daily for 8 weeks had significantly greater reductions in weight. 5. Protein shakes. Protein powders like whey protein, soy protein, egg white protein, casein protein, and pea protein have all been shown to help with weight loss. Digesting proteins can increase how many calories your body burns at rest by 15% to 30%, whereas carbs and fat only cause a 3% to 10% increase. 6. Black coffee. Drinking 4 cups of coffee a day for 24 weeks was associated with a 4% body fat reduction in overweight adults. Drinking coffee has been shown to decrease appetite and calorie intake throughout the day, but also increase how many calories you burn at rest. 7. Apple cider vinegar. Japanese adults found consuming 2 tablespoons of vinegar mixed with a beverage daily caused an average loss of 3.7 pounds, a 0.9% decrease in body fat, and a loss of 0.75 inches from the waist over 12 weeks. 8. Vegetable juice. People with metabolic syndrome who drank 1 or more servings of low-sodium vegetable juice, while on a calorie-restricted diet, lost significantly more weight than those who did not during a 12-week period. 9. Coconut water. It has potassium, which helps remove extra sodium from your body. This helps reduce water weight and can support your weight loss goals. It's full of vitamins and minerals like vitamin C and manganese and is especially good for exercise. 10. Grapefruit juice. If you're looking for a sweet and sour drink, grapefruit juice is a great nutrient-filled pick. Grapefruit has long been considered a staple of weight loss, and with good reason. It boosts powerful health benefits. Thanks for watching.